Hi and welcome back to Todd Aviaries. So this weekend is the start of the refurbishment in the bird room. We're going to be painting the walls, extending the flight, hopefully building another flight and getting the breeding boxes on the wall. So let's do it. Because of the way I made this flight and I was able to close that door, I've been able to shut the budgies into the main flight while I get this painted. I'll let this dry and then move them into here, and then I can paint the main aviary. At the moment they can't go in because I've taken the mesh off the bottom, so I have an easy way in and out so I don't get in and loose them. I've had to fill a hole down here, so I'll sort that out when it's dry. That is because I think rodents are getting in through there. Yes, I've got to do the black, but at the moment I'm just focusing on the white, and we'll see how it goes. So we're on day 2. I'm just going to finish painting this double breeder while I'm waiting for my dad, and then we're going to make a start on building the new flights. That's the breeders painted. They've had 2 coats. These were made by a guy who lives not far away. They're only MDF, so I decided to paint them white. So if we did ever be unfortunate enough to get a mite issue, I would be able to spot them. So these are the budgie breeders. There's the concave there. I've just stood it up to block the entrance. And then I have another double breeder over here, which has just had its 2nd coat. They could all probably have another, but I hate painting. I might have said it before, but I'll say it again. But it's good enough. All I've used is a Cuprinol White Daisy water-based paint. So yeah, those will be going on the walls later on. We're done, kind of. There's still quite a bit to do, but I'll show you where we're up to. It's now Sunday evening. I'm back at work tomorrow. T-minus 1 week to Stafford, so I really need to get a move on. Excuse the neck, the dog got me. So let's have a look. So I managed to move that massive box that was there to there, and because I've changed my mind with what we're doing in here, it's gone out. But we've extended or added a new flight here. It needs to be meshed. There might have been a problem with the mesh that was delivered. I've just gone to open the mesh box to get things meshed up, and I ordered the wrong size. Oh, great. Either they sent the wrong one or I ordered the wrong size. We're not going to play the blame game. Anyway, that's up. Needs meshing. The mesh is coming tomorrow. The budgie boxes are painted are in. They're going here. The double breeder is going here. I'm extending this mesh all the way across. And then I'm building another door, well, another sort of section like this, mirrored to here. So I'm basically going to have a meshed room within a room. This whole area with the breeding cages is going to be my porch. So there we go. The boys behaved themselves impeccably. I do still need to paint in there, but I need to get them in here. And I can't remember if I've said I can't do that because there's no mesh. So I need to, when the mesh comes, they'll get shut into here. Job's a good one. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. In the coming weeks, I promise there will be more bird content as we start to fill the bird room. In the meantime, have a great week.